Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Navaldeep. I hope you had a good day today. All the analysis which we did last time kind of worked out for me, so I hope it worked out for you as well. So let's talk about some tickers for tomorrow. We'll be talking about again, like as usual, futures, and this time I'm looking forward only for the big stocks like Amazon, Apple, AMD, BA, CAT, Facebook, Google, Nvidia, Roku, Snap, Tesla. Like they have a very high constituent in ES as well as in SPY and QQQ. So I'll be focusing on them, trying to find out a directional bias to see where we can enter, find a support and resistance, and then we can make a trade out of that. In case you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Twitter at Naval for you, and you can watch all these videos at Navaldeep Sikka YouTube channel. All right, so let's get started today. First thing first, ES. So remember last night we went through the level of 4385 and this channel. Today it broke out of this channel and closed right above it. So now I am bullish. I'm expecting it to break this 4422 and make all-time highs, and it can actually run towards 4483. Now I will be neutral in between 4410 to 4385. It will be a neutral territory now, because like we are moving upwards, so the channel is moving upwards, but now this range will become neutral. This will be a positive outburst. So till the moment we are holding above 440506 area, we should be good. We should be positive. Anytime it comes near, I will be a buyer in ES futures, and I'll be looking for a target of 4425 and then 4450. Once it breaks that, 4483 is my ultimate target in this week. Okay. Negative wise, I'm not negative till the moment it is holding 4385. 4385 breaks, I will change my bias. Okay. Then let's talk about Amazon. Amazon again respected the trend lines beautifully today. It came all the way down to 32,300 and then took the support from there, bounced, faced the resistance of 3384 and came back and closed around 3366. So again, if it comes around any side, 3286 or 3384, wait for a directional move. If it crosses 3384, go long. If it is facing resistance, go short. If it comes around 3286 and stabilizes, then go long. If it breaks below, it's short. The trend for Amazon is short. Like the 12 EMA is hovering over the red and they are now converging. So most likely tomorrow they will segregate and then we can have a negative trend on Amazon. Okay, so that's Amazon. Apple finally broke out of a 146, which it was holding for many days. Plus it had a bullish engulfing. It made a bull flag right there. It almost crossed above this line 147.50 today, where we talked last night that yes, it can face resistance. It did face resistance and close right underneath it. So tomorrow, if it gets above this, there's no stopping for Apple. Apple will go touch 150, 154 in straight lines. I'm very bullish on Apple if it holds 146.2. And now my good entry will be above 147.50. Okay. And I'm not even talking about negative sentiment on Apple because Apple was really strong. And if we have to move ES to 4485, we need Apple. AMD. AMD, we've been talking about this for quite a long time now, from 78. So today again, it came all the way close to 17, which was a good entry point. If you entered around 1718, you would have made like good money on it. It made 114.85 and closed around the resistance or above the resistance area. So till the moment we are holding 111, I think we are good. And we are looking to break 116, 117 first. Once it does that, 127. Right now, your stop loss is 111. Once 111 is broken, you can go and test 107. 107 will be a really, really good entry if you want to go long on AMD. Then BA had a massive move today. It filled the gap. Again, see, it took the support 225. It was holding and it's making a morning star, like what I showed you in Wayfair. Now it's gonna go up and test 230, and if it breaks that, we are looking at 239. So expect a good move on Boeing. Then I'm looking at Caterpillar. Caterpillar again, like, is holding that 205 range. So today it gave an opportunity to enter at 205. From there, it went up, tested all the way to 12 EMA, which is 209.45, tested it, closed right up below it. So the positive momentum can move upwards once we have a breach of 210. 210 to 214 will be a cumulative zone. So once you do that, you may see a breakout above 214. So I'm like, as I've been saying in last couple of videos, I'm bullish on all the industrials. Caterpillar, John Deere, all in the same boat. Then Facebook has been a laggard since it got pulled back from here, and now it's making back-to-back lower highs and lower lows. It tested the 34 EMA today, came near to the support and long-term trend line. So right now, I would like to see Facebook either to come at 345 and I can make a trade on it on the longer side, or it has to cross 356. So I would trade it for 365. Between 349 to 356, I am like kind of no trade zone for me. So I'll not be trading in between. Google has been really bullish. And just to be honest, I'm expecting it to break out of this consolidation. It is like making outer highs. And I think we are going to see all-time highs by the end of this week. They're going to break this resistance. So it almost came to the support. So I will mark it. And now it has to face resistance. So once the support is there tested, resistance should come, which is 2740, 2750 area. So I'll be looking for 2740, 2750, most likely. Again, as I said, we have to go for 4480. So Google should also contribute into that. So it has to move to all-time highs. 2740, 2750 will be a confirmation for a big move towards 2800. Then Nvidia has been pretty resilient in last many days, similar to what we have in case of Google. Nvidia also has outer bars, back-to-back outer bars, and it closed above the resistance for the second time. So it means it's going to hold 197. So if in morning you get an opportunity to enter at 197, go for it. Its long-term target is about 218, which I've mentioned before. And if it breaches 200 this time, I think we are going up towards 208. On the downside, it has a support of 190. So if it breaks 197, I'll not be trading Nvidia. Roku Snap. Roku short has been really good for us for last 1 week. I went short at 461 area, and from there it came all the way down. Today it like kind of tested this 435 area, which is a resistance zone, and then tested the 34 line, which is again a support zone, which it broke now. and almost came to the green line. Now, if this green line came down or breaks down, we'll be looking to 390 and 302 area. It is actually making a M pattern. If you see right there, the M is starting from right there. So it can potentially go down up to 300. I'm just making this based on the pattern which I'm looking at. So it's nothing like that. I want Roku to go down, but this is like usually if the length on this side is there, then the equal length comes on this side. So I'm actually bearish on Roku. My take is if it comes around 435, 450 area, just go and buy puts for it. Then that will be my trade. Then Snap. Snap, like I discussed, Snap, this is 718911. Look at the support today, 7187. It took that support and then bounced right off it. That's why I emphasize, please have these Fibonacci levels set up for yourself. Now, it is bullish for me. I'm looking for a target of 7848 till the moment 7189 is held. So I'm not going to play a bearish trade on Snap because Snap is in really good momentum. I'm not going to do any short on it, but I would like to buy the dip on Snap. Last, Mr. Elon Musk. Tesla. Tesla has an inside day, and I was trying to wait for Tesla throughout the day so that it can reach 697 and I can enter, but it never gave me that opportunity. It came all the way down to 700, but then it was not there for me to trade. Right now, there's still a significant gap between the lines and the candles. So I want either it to come down so that the line can move forward upside and the candle comes down. Once it touches it, it gives me a good uh, trade setup which I can trade. Right now, Tesla is in no trade zone for me unless it comes to 697 or it breaks above 710. 710, if it does that, then yes. If it opens above 710, holds it, I'm going to buy Tesla. But I'm not going to be a buyer between 697 to 710. No, I need 710 to be broken on the upside. I can be happy to buy it at 716, 718, and I can look for a target of 733. So again, this is what I wanted to cover in my tonight's video. You need to go back, do your stuff, try these charts, try your levels, check out all the data you want, figure out what you are planning for tomorrow, and then use that information. It really helps. Okay, so have a good day, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video.